I'm here at Yandles Woodworking Show with Matt Cremona.
Hello.
Hello. And I just wanted to say a quick word about a show next year. It's at the NEC in Birmingham on the 5th and 6th of May, and it's Makers Central. And it's tickets available now at makerscentral.co.uk. I think I've got that right. It should be appearing. Is it about there? Somewhere about there. Oh, the fourth wall. It's going to be a great show. It's all the YouTube people are there, the YouTube stars are there, such as Matt.
Oh boy.
Lots of people from outside the UK. Everybody's going to be there. I could mention names like Jimmy DeResta, Izzy Swan, April Wilkerson. I don't want to mention too many names because I feel like I've been missing people out. Are you looking forward to it, Matt?
I am very much looking forward to it, yes.
Is this the sort of thing you do regularly, Matt?
Go to shows?
Yeah. Is this a very stilted interview, Matt?
Oh yes, very much, yes. I do this fairly often. Most recently
good.
I see it pretty often.
I just got to mention, we're in a sawmill here. If you haven't seen Matt's sawmill build, oh my god, you need to go and see it. A massive, massive sawmill and brilliant results. I mean, huge trucks. What's the casting?
A little over 6 feet wide.
I've seen it in operation. It's incredible. Go check it out. Look, have a great time, Matt. I know you haven't said much. I tend to talk
You
a lot.
haven't given me the opportunity.
No, that's right. But thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for stopping me for a chat.
Yeah.
I'll see you next year.
Indeed.
Right?
Ben Crowe here of Crimson Guitars, this time in his guise of thevintagetool.com. What have you got for us today, Ben?
How's it going? Life is pretty awesome. We've slowed down. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now at the end of an incredibly long day. Yandles Woodworking Show is always awesome. And I have not left this spot even once. It's absolutely insane. But no, life is it's really cool here. So that's too broad a question. What have I got for you today? Lots of tools. We're a little bit short. Tool of the day. Tool of the day is something innocuous and relatively inexpensive. For guitar builders, a beach spoke shave. These things are so fun to use. Now, the traditional one, actually this is boxwood and even more beautiful. You have to hammer these pins in and out to adjust the depth of cut in the mouth and all of that jazz. These, with the screw thread adjustment, are in my opinion, the absolute best spoke shaves that you can get, bar none. I'm thinking about the beautiful Australian one that I've got at the workshop, sort of brass and hardwood, but these are so useful, and when you get them sharp, they're just light and tactile and fun to use. So there we go. You put me on the spot, and I've given you an adjustable wooden spoke shave because I love them.